Okay. Start streaming. Okay. La-di-da. All right. What are we doing here? Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! And welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Let me get rid of this. I am NANABOOZHOO. Over here, pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. This is Michael Lyons. Hello, everyone. And where are we going to pretend Natasha is? Let's pretend she's over there. And over here, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, ni weenie mushain. Say hello, my sweetheart. BOOZHOO, Gakina, hello, everybody. Welcome to the show. Do you want to come out later on? Oh, yeah, of course. I'll come out and say hello. All right, coming up. Hey, what do you know? Tracy's here. Tracy's back. Yeah, she sure is. She's number one. She says, Mino Giga Jabe. Hey, kids. Mino Giga Jabe. That means good morning. Good morning. And I want to wish everybody good morning today. It's a beautiful day. It's August, 22nd? Yeah, I think it's 22nd. And, we got some just really cool stuff to get to today. I haven't done a show in a while, huh, Michael? No, we really haven't. Michael's been working at the library. And so we haven't done many shows. Should we start with a word of the day? Yeah, let's do a word of the day. Okay. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Nebwakawin. Nebwakawin. Wisdom. You know what wisdom is, sweetie? What's wisdom? Wisdom, it's not like intelligence. It's not just being smart. Wisdom is like, how do I put it? It's like knowing the truth. Seeing the truth and knowing that there is a truth, number one. It's not just your truth or my truth. The truth. Seeing through the lies. Oh, yeah, huh? Wisdom. Nebwakawin. And later on today, if you like, sweetie, we could do, maybe you could come out and get some of that Auntie Natasha's Nebwakawin. Wisdom. Want me to talk to the kids? Yeah, can you talk to the kids? Yeah, I sure can. Hallelujah. Okay. And we're also going to have a special guest today. Our special guest, we're going to bring out Misagi Maingan, the bitter wolf. Misagi Maingan. Coyotes really don't get any respect, do they? No. I wonder if that's why they're so bitter. Yeah, they might be. The bitter wolf, the Misagi Maingan. A lot of people think, coyotes are just, like second-class wolves. They're little, they scavenge around in your garbage. Everybody ignores them in the fairy tales. Yeah. And bling, bling. Oh, sweetie, is that the phone? Bling, bling. Oh, yeah, hang on. BOOZHOO! This is Natasha speaking. Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, and all that. Oh, sure, you want to be on the show? Okay, hang on. We got a caller on line 2. Line 2? Yeah. Okay, line 2. Caller, welcome to the BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Um, you're on the air, caller. I forget how to do my Donald Trump impersonation. Michael, you're the worst. I know. I'm so sorry. How do I do that? Caller, we're going to have to come back to you. How did you forget to do a Donald Trump impersonation? I don't know. Here's my Donald Trump impersonation. I have to think of something to say first. Yeah, NANABOOZHOO. He's got kind of a lower jaw thing going on here. All right. Caller. Welcome back to the show. Yeah, hello, NANABOOZHOO. Oh, hey, Donald Trump. Sweetie, where are you? It's Donald Trump. Oh, hi, Donald Trump. Welcome back to the show. Yes, hello, Natasha. It's tremendous being back on the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You see, I can't. Who cares? Yeah, I don't care. I can't talk about Donald Trump anymore. Why? Well, ever since I found out, okay, have you guys seen the videos on that Trump is actually Elvis Presley? What? Yeah, it's true. This is wisdom. See the truth. Everybody always, it was like the second conspiracy theory. All right, kids, here we go. Wayback Machine. Here's a story from your old Uncle NANABOOZHOO. Back in the days of the grandfathers. This is 1970s. There was a man called Elvis Presley who sang songs, and he dressed up in white jumpsuits. And they called him the King of Rock and Roll. Well, there's been a couple of conspiracy theories before Elvis's death. The first one was the Santa Claus. That's one conspiracy theory. And then there was JFK, and then the moon landing lie. You know, we never went to the moon, kids. It's stupid. But then in 1977 or something, Elvis Presley pretended to die. And they made up this whole story about him dying on his throne, the toilet. And they had a big fake funeral and all this. And then over the years, people kept saying, oh, I think I saw Elvis. Oh, he's still alive, you know. Oh, there's a conspiracy theory. Well, turns out, yeah, he faked his death, and then he came back as Donald Trump. Now, the thing you got to understand, kids, is that the whole world is one big stupid story. If you watch the news, if you watch movies, if you pay attention to politicians, actors, musicians, celebrities, anybody that we celebrate, the celebrity, they're all actors. It's like a one big World Federation wrestling match or whatever. They pretend that they hate each other. Oh, I'm so mad. Oh, I'm Donald Trump and I'm so mad at, Joe Biden. Oh, I'm so mad at Barack Obama and Hillary Clinton. We hate each other. No, they're all friends. Oh, Jeffrey Epstein. We hate that guy. No, they're all friends. They're all one big club. You ain't in it. But they're all in it. That's the same club. They play different characters. It's all one big lie. And someday I might get into going in deeper than that. Why is there a lie? But just for today, kids, today's Uncle NANABOOZHOO's moment of Nebwaka-win. Wisdom. Wisdom is knowing the truth. Truth is, everything's a lie. No, yeah. Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today. We speak Ojibwe. Waindom G-A-I-on Homanungun in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Ojibwe. Welcome back to the show.
BOOZHOO.
Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO,
The podcast.
about Ojibwe language
And culture.
Will I ever see you again? BOOZHOO, Gakira Awia. Hello, everybody. Natasha Nindijan Nakas. Natasha is my name. And no, I don't know what to say. What do you mean I don't know what to say? What do you want me to say? You want to give some Auntie Natasha's wisdom? Oh yeah, I could do some Auntie Natasha's wisdom. Okay, today's Auntie Natasha's Nabwakawin wisdom. Okay, well, here's the thing, kids. Always, no, wait, never, I don't know. How you guys doing? Okay, here's the deal. What's that? We need to have clips on this show. Clips? Yeah, like stuff we take off of the internet and comment on. Oh, yeah, I suppose we could. Do we have any clips? I don't have any clips. Okay. We don't have any clips, guys. Do you want to talk about why you're on camera today instead of down, why you didn't do the green screen? Sure. We're not doing green screen today because I just couldn't be bothered. That's a good story. Yeah, thanks. Actually, here's the deal. What's that? So I work at the library here in town, and 3 times a week I get to read stories during story time. I'm the story time guy. And when I do story time, most times I do puppets. I use puppets and bring my guitar out, and we have a lot of fun. And but what I learned was that kids don't ever care about that they can see my mouth move. Oh, you mean like a ventriloquist? Yeah, that's never been an issue. They don't know what ventriloquism is. And I've come to kind of think ventriloquists are stupid. You think ventriloquist? What about Jeff Dunham? Is he your hero? No, he's not my hero. It's so silly. I mean, it's such an old form of entertainment. A guy on a stage pretending that he's, not. Okay, let's try this. This is me as a ventriloquist. Okay, go ahead. Hi, Natasha. How are you today? Oh, how are you? Good. Yeah, this is very so good. Yeah, I mean, if I just talk to you and then I just speak, nobody cares. Yeah. All right. Well, how many people are watching? Let's see. We've got One viewer. One viewer. Just Tracy. Hello, Tracy. You're enough. We don't care. We're just happy somebody's watching. But we're also trying to make content for little clips, right? Yeah. All right, let me do something. Oh yeah, Wisakode. Wisage Maingan. Wisage Maingan, the bitter wolf. Michael, you want to go grab the bitter wolf? I don't know if I can without getting rid of you. Yeah, who cares? Don't be bitter. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, Niman Wendam, Omanungu. Yeah, yeah, yeah. La, 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 la. To learn more about Ojibwe language and culture, I don't know. Where can you learn more about Ojibwe language and culture? Everything I know about Ojibwe language and culture, I learned from Dances with Wolves. Those are Sioux people. Oh yeah. I don't know anything about Ojibwe language and culture. Well, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha. This is Michael Lyons. And, Ikadon Gigawabamin Minawa, Michael Lyons. I will see you again. Gigawabamin Minawa. Hoa. Hoa. And stop streaming.